Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoyed 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels. Good morning. We had an absolutely rubbish night's sleep, not because it was rough sea or anything, it's just because the bed wasn't comfy. So I think we need to get that sorted today. But it's grey and overcast yet again. Mike is outside on the balcony and I think he's asleep. Yep, he's asleep. So I've just had a good old wash and clear my teeth, and we're going to see what today brings for us. Let's hope the sun finds its way through those grey clouds. I'll give you a quick glimpse of what's out there. Blue skies over there, thank goodness. Let's hope they head this way. Here's the pilot coming to get on the ship and take us in. They must have good tummies. Well, today we're heading into Messina. We've been here before, but obviously pre-COVID, good old COVID. So I'm not really sure what we're planning to do. We've certainly got no trips planned. Gosh, if ever there's a flood back at the park, the village is gonna get wet feet. Very pretty. Yeah. And the sun's coming out. Right folks, see you in a bit. Well, we're just coming into port now. Been sailing in for the last half hour or so. Sun's coming through all these clouds. It looks beautiful. Oh yeah, and that's nice and warm, that sun. Everybody's eating breakfast. There's Mike. Thumbs up. All the mountains still shrouded in cloud. Yep, beautiful. Egg station, eggs Benedict, eggs and bacon. Oh, is it? American breakfast. Oh, yummy. Hash brown. I love hash brown. Omelets. No, there's the eggs over there, babe. Here, egg station.
All right, Benedict. Oh, sorry.
Bacon. Oh, what's this section? Oh no, French toast, Caroline. Oh god, that's a lethal station. That's a station you should not go near. Yeah, then you've got the cereal. Sorry, cereal. Thank you. Cold meats, fresh fruit. Mexican station. Oh wow, black pudding. Put Michael looking on that. Mike? What's this? Oh, I don't know what that is. Curry section. Oh, that looks nice. To be honest, the curry section is phenomenal. Some pastries. I could live off the curry on this ship. Over here, you've got warm croissants and warm chocolate, pan of chocolate, omelettes. Over here, you've got your hams, scrambled egg hash browns, grilled vegetables, roast potatoes, pan of fritter. Yeah, lots. Too much, but all yummy. Okay. Are you happy to have found another cruise?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, let me just spin you around, folks. That's what we're watching at the moment. Little ferry going past. Is there? Oh yeah. And I don't know if we can see what it says over there. It's still very grey and cloudy, but it is actually quite warm. There's Mike, he's on coffee. Americano. And I'm on a mocha because I'm lightweight. But, come on Mike, admit.
I had a coffee after me dinner last night about 9:30, 10 o'clock, 9:45. And then we went to the silent disco at 10:15, danced till 11:15. I was carrying on dancing. So we went to our room because we both had sore legs. You see, just not be able to sleep till 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, easily.
Shattered this morning.
Yeah, we are. Both of us. Because when Mike tosses and turns, I wake up. When I wake up and toss and turn, Mike wakes up. Oh look, it's over there on the mirror as well, you can see what it's called. Nice place, nice and quiet. Well actually it's not at the moment because it's quite busy, but it's normally quite nice and quiet. Is that good? Come on, you've got to do the video now.
Oh, do babe.
Oh, it's alright, don't worry, it's going. Oh. Rossi like.
There we go, there.
There's a library. Right, we're on the library floor. Makes us seem very intellectual, but we're certainly not. Or I'm not, should I say. I'm the dozy one, Mike's quite intelligent. And we're heading to our room. Long corridors. Think of Titanic, just see how you can think of all the water coming rushing up this corridor.
Yeah. It's just this trailer with naked in its head.
Yeah, that's true. Well, if it's rushing up this corridor and we're on deck 10, we should be on the balcony jumping in.
And swim like magic away from it.
Yep. Before the sucky bit comes to pull you back under. After non-stop on and off rain all morning, we've decided we're going to give this port a miss. We've been here quite a few times before, so it's not as if it's going to be a bit of a shock for us, but Sarah and Tom I think have gone off. I'm not 100% sure because we've not been able to track them down, but hopefully they're having fun somewhere out there. So it's not a very pleasant day. It's very cloudy, very muggy. So we decided to stay on the ship and chill. We've got the MS Sea View in front of us. And we've got a beer. Mike's just drinking water. Juice of lions. MSC view. Sounds like they're having a party.
Sail away party.
Nice. Come boogie, babe. Come, baby, boogie.
I'll sod off for boogie later.
Get them hips moving, baby boo.
I'll go to loosen up the joints first.
Oh gosh, look at it at the back. Let me see if I can home in for you guys. 2 secs. Woo! Look at all those people on there. Have fun, people. Make some absolutely fantastic memories. Let me show you that thing in front. 2 seconds, let's see. Okay, it's pretty. Shipbuilding over there. It's been cloudy all day, and now at this time of night, look at it. What time of night is it, babe?
It is, if this watch is right, 6:20.
I doubt very much that watch is right. And if it is, have you wound it up and made it get right?
No, I've not wound it up. So it doesn't need winding up.
No.
It needs shaking up.
Shake it up, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
Twist and shout. Sorry, folks.
I was talking to a dead camera that wasn't working, but it did try again.
Yeah, we'll try again, babes.
Won't laugh at me.
Oh.
At least my hand doesn't shake like Donna's. Anyway,
No, that's
we are
true.
back in the martini bar. It is.
Oops.
Sorry, it is 7:20. We got dinner in an hour and 10 minutes.
Yes.
Thomas said we're going to the magic show.
Magic show, yeah.
So we'll probably see in a little while. But for the moment, we've just got I've just got my internet source and the app source on my phone. So now I can actually see what we're doing and where we're going and what we've been and where we've been and everything else I need to know.
Oh, what we're spending.
But not that I need to, but you know. So
Yeah.
guys, no doubt Dana will do a video. This is on my phone, so it won't probably be as
Yeah,
good.
Mike has actually done this on his own accord the very first time. Give him a thumbs up.
And I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what's around us. There we go. I can go too fast and it's all off, so she'll let this anyway. If it's not right, Don will edit it all out. If I'm going too fast, she'll edit it out. There's a hair. Alright folks, we'll catch you later.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Main dining room. It's nicer in this centre section, but we're slightly over to one side in a dark little corner, but it's nice.
Which is opposite.
We can sit wherever. Can do. Good evening.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. We said night,
In the kitchen, dummy in a minute, door closed. Keep your loud. Screaming at her.
your night, hearts decide.
Hey, the girls want a photo, but you
Yeah,
want
of course
video.
we want a photo.
Well, say something nice for your video.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm videoing. Look at Sarah.
Say
save the
something
king.
nice, he's on video.
God save the king.
That's a Scotsman saying that. That's a
God
Scotsman.
save the king.
Okay,
God bless the queen.
God save the king.
Yeah.
Right, okay, 1 minute. God save the king.
Yeah. God bless the Queen's on the way.
And
Aye.
let's have a
God bless
brilliant
the Queen,
remainder of our
definitely.
holiday. Oh, that's more important.
Good night, guys.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Oh, we're back to video now.
Yeah, we're back to video. I've just pressed photo instead of video.
Good evening, guys. It is 12:30. We're about to go onto the balcony. I've got a whiskey. Dan's got a water. Bless her, she's been good.
Oh, it's the exciting one. Yeah.
We're going to say goodnight now. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a day at sea,
Yeah.
so we'll be around the boat quite a lot on a ship.
Round the pool.
Ship.
Round the pool, hopefully, if the sun's out.
But on the plus side, all the shops are open.
Yeah.
So you can have a walk around them as well. Get the free for $10 type of stuff going on.
Oh, well, we just treated ourselves tonight to a necklace for me and a watch for you.
Yeah,
I don't know how many watches one man can wear, but yeah, I'm sure.
One for every other day of the week for a month.
What's he like? Right. Anyway, we're getting an hour on our clocks. I'll show you now.
Now we're on.
I'm sure.
Goes forward.
1 minute. I'll show you.
We lose an hour. It skips forward, which means we lose an hour's sleep.
Please set your clocks and watches 1 hour forward this evening.
Which means we
1 hour
we
less
lose.
in bed.
Yeah.
Ugh.
But on the plus side, we make it up in about a week's time. We'll come back,
Yeah.
so that's okay. We're not being Daryl. We're getting it back.
Yeah.
Come on, God bless.
Like a bless.
Right, folks, and cheers.
Is that all
that's,
whiskey?
That's one measure of whiskey. I'm not complaining.
The man's going to be drunk. Like a bless.
God bless, guys.
You say